Welcome to Learn and Draw. I am Anup Desai, working as lecturer. In this video, we learn to draw a 3D model using Solid Edge software. For more videos on 3D modeling, support me by subscribing to my channel. Now let's start drawing. So when we open the Solid Edge software, so we get the page like this. So for the solid modeling, we have to select the solid part. So after selecting the solid part, we get the page. So let's see the question. So this is the question. The top part is the front view of the machine component, bottom is the top view, and the right side is the left side view of the machine component. So now let's draw this step by step. First we will consider drawing the top view. Okay, so for that, so we have to select here protrusion. Then since we are drawing it in the top view, so we have to select here top view. And now let's see what is there. So when we see the top view, we can see that the length of the component is 110 mm and the height of the component is 60 mm. So let's now first draw this one. So for that, we'll draw a rectangle. Okay, so from here we'll draw a rectangle like this. Okay, then we'll select here connect option, and then we'll connect to the center of this to this line. Okay, next is we'll select the smart dimension, we'll drag this here, we'll make it as 110. Okay, then we'll select the width, we'll drag this, and the width is 60, enter. Okay, so then you can see here at the bottom, so it has the length of 35 from the left bottom side, then there is a cutout of 25 mm and 40 mm. So now let's draw this one. So for this, what we have to do is we'll select here trim option and trim the bottom part, then select a line. So from this line we have to draw a length of 35 mm. Okay, then height of 25, next again length of 40, next again up to this point, and then join to this line, right click. So now we have got the top view, then we'll select the return. So here it is asking how much protrusion is required. So from the side view we can see the bottom part, the protrusion is 30 mm. So here type this as 30 and then press enter. Then press finish. Now the bottom part here it is completed. Next one is here we have to draw the front view, that is from here to the top. So from the side view we can see the total length is 80. So far we have drawn up to 30 mm. So the remaining length we have to draw is 50 mm, and we already know that the length is 110 and the width is 50. So we have to draw a rectangle of length is equal to 110 and width is equal to 50. And inside this we have to draw the two holes of diameter of 16 mm, and also we have to consider that they are at a distance of 30 and 50 mm from each other. So let's draw this one. First let's draw the rectangle. So for this, select the protrusion. So since we are taking the front view, so select here front view. So here first let's draw a rectangle, select a rectangle and randomly draw a rectangle like this. Next is we have to select here connect this center part to this line. Okay, and also select here collinear this line to this line. Okay, So next is, let's drag this one. So the length of this will be 110. Next, the width of this will be 50. Okay, so now we have drawn this rectangle. So next, as I said, is we have to draw these two circles of diameter is equal to 16. So we will select the circle by center. Okay, so here somewhere we will draw a circle of 16 mm diameter, and again one more circle of the same 16 mm diameter. Right click. Okay, so then we'll take here smart dimension and show this as 16 mm. Next is, we have to show the distance here. It is 30 from the left side, 50 between one circle and another circle, and 25 from the top line. So for this, what we have to do is select here distance between left side and first circle. So how much it is there? 30 mm. Next is distance between again first circle and second circle. It is 50 mm. And then again distance between top line to this circle, it is 25. So now it is completed. Okay, so now we will select here return. Now it is asking the distance of the protrusion. So you can see here from the side view, the distance of the protrusion will be equal to 25. So here we'll type it as 25. Okay, so then the direction should be in this side. See, like this. Then please press on finish. Now it is completed. Next, let's save the file. For that, select here Ctrl I, so that the figure will be in the isometric view. Then save this. Okay. Model 4, save. So the file is now saved. Next is, we have to create this front, top and side view of the machine component. So for that, select file, create drawing. Okay. Next, front. Next, so we need front view, top view, side view and isometric view. So we'll click on finish. So we'll get this one. Okay, so next we'll select all these parts by clicking on shift. Then we'll select here scale value as 0.7. Okay, so since we are taking the printouts in the A4 sheet, so we'll right click on the sheet setup and then select here A4, unclick the show background, save defaults and press on OK. So next we will rearrange this. So after rearranging, let's name the dimensions. So to name the dimensions, we'll select here distance between and using the smart dimensions. So after naming all the dimensions, let's name the different views. Select the text here. Next, name this as front view, top view, side view and the isometric view. This completes the drawing. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos on 3D modeling, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw.